Hi, and welcome to this update from the Wurth chair. I'm here today in Berlin. I've been here for the past 2 days. Yesterday was the HyLand Symposium. This brought together all of the HyLand funded projects across Germany. We heard some really great presentations. Some projects really quite advanced with their production and their use of green hydrogen, in particular in regions like in Bavaria and the Rhine-Neckar region. There was a session on international projects. So there we had a presentation from the north of the Netherlands, the hydrogen valley there, the newest large-scale hydrogen valley supported by the Clean Hydrogen Joint Undertaking from Austria. And I was very pleased to give an update on the status of our Lux-HyVal project. There were some nice interactive parts to the symposium as well, a great podium discussion on the role of communes in the rollout of hydrogen projects, and some interactive World Cafe style workshops in the afternoon. Again, looking at some of the pain points, some of the challenges that we have driving forward hydrogen projects in Germany and around Europe. Today was also organised by the symposium, and that was a visit to the Siemens Energy PEM electrolyzer factory here in Berlin. This was incredible. It was amazing to see how they've designed, how they manufacture, how they assemble the PEM electrolyzers, and how that fits into their larger supply chain. And possibly a real highlight for me was going through the production hall and seeing really how highly automated the assembly is for those electrolyzers here in Berlin. Capacity, by the way, is quite incredible. Their current manufacturing capacity is about 1 gigawatt per year, hence the gigafactory. But that's expandable, I think, on the current line with more shifts to 3 gigawatts, and if they build another parallel production line, up to 7 gigawatts. So really, there's a lot of capacity to build more of the equipment that we need to continue the rollout of a hydrogen economy across Germany and Europe. So overall, it's really always a pleasure to be able to represent the Wurth chair from the University of Luxembourg at events like this, and in this symposium in particular, to be able to speak as the coordinator of the Luxembourg Hydrogen Valley.